ladies and gents, it's chant'e Rose, Miss Rose, and today we are making crispy pancakes. They're delicious, they're golden brown, they're fluffy, and just the best. So I'm gonna tidy up my kitchen and we can get started. You already know the vibes. Get your dishwater started. So my favorite pancake mix is between Aunt Mama's and Krusty's. It's just the best. I really like this one. And all you need to do is add water. So it looks like this. This is just a super size bag, family size bag. And then just, Aunt Mama's. And you can use any pancake mix that you have. It doesn't have to be this one. It can be Hungry Jack. It can be, Crackle Barrel, your preference, basically. And you'll need some vegetable oil, or you can use bacon grease, or you can use leftover grease if you want to, like leftover chicken grease, whatever. And get a pan like this. So what you want to do is go ahead and turn it, I can say medium heat. You don't want it too high. And while I'm going to let this warm up, I'm going to slice up some strawberries and clean some blueberries. So I think it's obvious what I'm doing. I'm just mixing my pancake mix. So the pan is very warm. You don't want it too hot. And you're just going to put a little bit like that. And go ahead and work it around. That was probably a little bit too much, but it's okay. You're gonna make it work. And we're gonna let that warm up just a little bit. So I'm just gonna swish this around just for a second, and our pancake mix is done sitting. So just pour it. And move that grease around the pancake. And you can turn up the heat slightly, but I wouldn't go past number 5. And just wait for the bubbles. So I see bubbles beginning to appear. And it is almost, not yet, almost time to flip. All right, now I'm gonna do a little test. I'm just gonna flip it on the round corner. And I don't like that color. So I'm gonna let it sit a little bit longer. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. And look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And move the grease around the pancake. And that is what we're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, a crispy pancake. Now, once you flip it, the other side cooks faster. So, I'm gonna turn it back around, away from the grease because it's greasy enough. And just let it get brown. All right, and I'm gonna check because it doesn't take that long. That's pretty darn good, you think? So I'm gonna grab a plate and be right back. So I flipped it, and that's what we're looking at. And I'm gonna put it so it can like deep grease itself, basically. Let it sit on a paper towel. And we go on with the next ones. And we are on pancake number 2. So move the oil around the pan. And around the pancake. Move it around the pancake. And let it bubble. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and flip. Look at that. Beautiful. And if you want to, you can take some of these pieces off like that. And these are almost ready to flip. Actually, they probably are ready to flip. I'm trying to get this pancake off my spatula. All right, let's see. Yep, beautiful, perfect. This one can go a little bit longer, unless you like light stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and move them around the pan a little bit. I'm going to actually flip this one over again. That looks pretty darn good. And this is ready to go. Beautiful. Add it on. And that is what we're looking like. And this is good enough for me as well. you have it. Crispy pancakes. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, no rude ones, and click your notification bell. If you want to see some recipes, anything you got in mind, let me know. I'll try to make things happen. And as always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Oh yeah, and for this amazing shirt, make sure to check out Comedian Boogie. I'm not sure what his ad name is. I think it's like Teas and Soul, but I'll make sure to tag it and check them out. Make sure you support your Black businesses, small businesses, all the businesses. See you next time.